This is how you eat Korean beef. Ah! Hindi pala kaya.
Sarap, diba? It's refreshing.
Refreshing! Refreshing! IRONA JUSEYO guys! Wake up! Wake up! So I just got off the subway and I'm trying to find my way papunta dun sa resto. Tanggalin ko muna to. Kasi actually guys, starting today, prohibited na talaga na nakatingin ako dun sa viewfinder. Prohibited na sumakay sa public transport without the mask. But anyway, wala naman tao dito. Kaya okay lang, bababa ako muna. So today is my friend Kiano's birthday. And usually, we spend it like on an out of town trip. But for this year, he decided to just like have just to have a simple dinner because of Corona. Kaya yun, but I'm still waiting for their reply kung paano ba papunta doon. Because they already instructed me. It's just that it's my first time here. So I'm here sa may Garak Market. So ito yung version nila ng Dampa. And what else? Umuulan pa naman guys. So hindi ko talaga ma-explore kung saan yung tamang way. Yung pa naman yung nakalimutan ko yung payong. But I'm still waiting for the reply. So it's either puntahan nila ako. I don't think so kasi kumakain na sila. Or kailangan ko suungin yung ulan para mahanap ko yung way ko. So hopefully medyo tumila yung ulan. Pinagbigyan nila ako. I'm just gonna take a quick video of how it looks like inside. Oh, Susan? Ah, Susan? Tama ba?
Oh,
sa nanay ko pala.
Susan tayo.
Oh, sa nanay ko pala to eh. Susan yung pangalan ng nanay ko. Susan Sijang. Yeah, so it means Susan Market. So parang nga siya yung version ng Dampa, di ba? Here, ano, suke. So this is how it looks like. Pero ang clean niya ha. In fairness, malinis. Yeah.
So here, fish na gusto mong patayin at kainin.
So you're just gonna choose kung ano yung gusto mong paluto.
Yes.
Pero paano yung, later na lang ako paano yung pricing. Yeah, that one. Wow. Sorry. So where did you, oh! Ay, dito kayo kumuha kanina. Oh my gosh, lalaki. Wow. Oh. Sakto. What's for your name?
That's only for you.
Okay. Hanu.
Chadol Pagi.
Wow. Happy birthday. Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Yes, of course.
Did you make a wish?
Peace. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Happy birthday! So it's 214 grams, but it's 23,541. So this one is 28,000. So Aryan is saying like 10,000 won per 100 grams. And then this one is 26,400 for 240 grams. So ganun kamahal ang Hanu. So hinintay nila ako guys kasi ako rin pala magluluto. So this one is ano?
Piniritong ulo ng salmon.
Which one? This one?
Papakita mo ba? Ulo ng salmon.
Head ng salmon.
Oh, it smells really good. Putik, akala ko dami.
One pack muna.
One pack first.
One pack. Cheers! Grabe, ang lambot.
Sarap eh.
Pero grabe.
Sarap, no?
Korean beef, the best. Mini mukbang. Blessy is cooking the other pack. Harap. Uy, harap. Harap. Who are you? Who are you? Why are you here?
Hungry.
Hungry? That's why you came, because you're hungry. Oh,
많이 왔네요.
What pasalubong did you buy? Freaky yan.
많이 왔어요.
What? He bought Hanu for me. Oh! It's for you, Kian.
Yeah.
Tanduay light. The remaining Tanduay light in the office.
Yeah.
It's my first time, so it's his birthday, so I'll try to eat salmon, raw salmon. Ano ba itong isa? What's this one?
This one is the Hong lapu-lapu.
라프라프.
So I'm just gonna
Like
eat
Bukit
this
lapu-lapu.
one.
밀크빛.
Guys, hindi ako ma-arty, pero hindi ako kumakain ng
first in the pan. That one is good.
First time. Wala akong sausawan. Wasabi. Wasabi and... It's up to you.
Or tartar sauce.
Tartar sauce.
Tartar sauce.
와.
And then soju.
Did you try it the last time? Soju, the best. Making soft drinks from soju. Pero okay, it's not bad, it's good. It's actually delicious. This one. This is how you eat Korean beef. Ah, hindi pala kaya.
내가 더 잘하지. 재밌어.
내가 행 축하했어?
Yeah, that's all.
드라마 많이 봐. 우리 엄마하고
그 드라마.
이모하고. 근데 너는 그거 그래서 안 돼. 절대 안 돼.
Walang beef?
그러니까
I was asking Keanu, wala na bang beef? Apparently, there's still... How do you say it? Chadolbagi? How do you say it again?
차돌박이.
Chadolbagi or beef brisket. Tama ba? Beef brisket? This one is only 26?
Yeah.
This one is only 26,000 won.
26?
Oh,
One
chadolbagi
kilo?
or beef brisket. 1 kilo? Ooh.
안 돼, 안 돼. Good, you don't know?
뭐해 비빔밥.
일본이랑 다르잖아. 괜찮아? 정말? 언제 This is work. This is like good.
Many secret patties later.
Wait lang.
There's like
Or
Fish,
Spicy.
spicy fish bone soup.
spicy fish bone soup.
With
With
ramyeon sari.
ramyeon. Later.
Anya, that
Ramen.
usually only to me.
This one is mine. Here, where's my milk? 맛있어. I didn't know. I thought it was water. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Thank you.
Cake and soju. I got it first. I get You want love?
No.
With space, mayon lang.
Event.
What's itadakimasu? Ini itadakimasu.
왜요? 아까 먹었습니다.
더 넣을게요.
This one is spicy. I have low tolerance for spicy food. Pero this one, I can take. I can tolerate. Tolerate.
Bawal yan. It's like 10%, but it's not on purpose.
Good.
Sarap, diba? It's refreshing.
Refreshing. Refreshing.
Sashimi.
How much? How
I was
much?
surprised. Because
How much?
when I eat with my dad, he usually
Okay,
pays
how
like
much?
300 to 400. I
Oh.
only pay 100.
100?
100 only.
100? Why?
I don't know.
와, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다. You only paid 100. How much did you pay for the seafood and stuff?
For the seafood and stuff, siguro mga a little more than 200.
And then plus 100?
Plus 100. Not bad. No,
My
because like
God.
when I eat here with my dad,
Yeah.
he usually pays like 300 or more.
300,000 won?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dito na lang sana siya nag-birthday.
Oh. Happy birthday, Kian!
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
얼렁 오는 거.
E9pay.
So this is Seoul at night actually. This is actually bad compared to other places. Yeah.
Nahilo ako doon. Nakailang soju. Nakaisang bote po ako na soju by myself.
The stairs is here.
Ah, sorry. Bye guys, have fun sa Icha. Bye!
Happy birthday.
Hey guys, so we're already inside the car and we're heading home. Hindi na kami sumama din sa Icha or the second round because both of us have work tomorrow. But anyway, what do you call this? Kian's birthday was a blast. Sobrang sarap ng food, especially the Korean beef and yung brisket. Sarap. And then, first time ko kumain nung salmon, raw salmon, and it wasn't as bad as I expected. Kasi hindi ako makain talaga. I mean, hindi naman talaga siya bad, pero kasi nga for someone who doesn't eat raw food, parang feeling ko, parang ang lansa niya, ang slimy, but hindi, parang iba. But ayan guys, anyway, it's already 11:30 PM. We will be saying our goodbyes. Wag, parang bakit pakinggan? Anyway, we will say goodbye. Yun na lang. We will say, parang pareho lang yun eh. Ay, nako. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please like and share if you haven't already. Please click the subscribe and bell button para you'll be updated of our uploads. And we'll see you on our next vlog. Take care.
Bye.
Annyeong!